I greet each of you. Let's get acquainted with the incredible benefits of onions. Are onions good for you? Whether it is raw onions or cooked onions, they are loaded with benefits. And you can eat them whenever you want, day or night. The vegetables are an excellent source of vitamin C and B6, folate, iron, and potassium. Onions are also rich in manganese that offers protection against cold and flu. Allium and allyl disulfide, two phytochemicals in onions, are converted into allicin post-ingestion. Allicin, as per certain studies, has properties to fight cancer and diabetes. It can also reduce the stiffness of blood vessels and lower blood pressure levels. Even the other onion types like chives, leeks, and shallots have similar benefits. What are the health benefits of onions? Allium and allyl disulfide, two phytochemical compounds in onions, have been found to lower the risk of several types of cancer, assist in regulating blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and heal infections. Here's a quick look at the incredible onion benefits for health. 1. Fight cancer. As per a study conducted by the University of Guelph, red onions are the most effective in destroying breast and colon cancer cells. These onions have high levels of quercetin and anthocyanin, two compounds that contribute to this characteristic. Onions activate the pathways that provoke the cancer cells to kill themselves. They make the environment unfavorable for cancer cells to communicate, and this inhibits their growth. It was also found that people with the highest consumption of onions had the lowest cancer rates. As a preventative measure, you can have your burgers garnished with red onions. 2. Improve heart health. The flavonoids in red onions can contribute to heart health. Onions are also rich in organosulfurs, which can help prevent heart disease. According to one Argentine study, intake of the organosulfur compounds found in onions can cut the risk of cardiovascular disease. Onions contain thiosulfonates that act as natural blood thinners and reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. The quercetin in onions also has the potential to fight heart disease. It offers both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that promote heart health. Onions are also a part of the French paradox. They are an important part of French cuisine and are thought to be responsible for the low incidences of heart disease among the French despite their high-calorie diet. Onions can also improve cholesterol levels, and this ultimately benefits the heart. As per a report by the Cambridge University Press, the flavonoids in onions help lower the levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, in obese people. Onions also prevent the blood platelets from sticking each other, which can lead to clotting and eventually, heart attacks. They also can prevent high blood pressure, thereby averting heart danger. Another study on rabbits showed that onions could prevent atherosclerosis. They achieved this by enhancing fibrinolytic, a process that results in the removal of small blood clots, activity. 3. Lower blood sugar levels. Onions lower blood sugar levels. One study has proven that onion extract can help lower blood sugar levels. The study was conducted on diabetic rats, and the results were encouraging. One of the sulfur compounds in onions, S-methylcysteine and quercetin, can have beneficial effects on blood sugar. However, it was found that onions exhibited the positive effect only when taken along with metformin, the anti-diabetic drug. In yet another study, polyphenols, especially the ones in onions, were found to play a role in glycemic control. 4. Promote healthy digestion. The digestive benefits of onions can be attributed to inulin, a fiber present in the vegetable. Inulin acts as a food source for the beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Consuming this fiber helps your body maintain good levels of the healthy bacteria. However, the thiosulfonates in onions can cause harm to these beneficial bacteria, as they have antibacterial properties. Hence, if you are sensitive to the antibacterial properties of onions, do consult your doctor. Another soluble fiber in onions, oligofructose, which is a subgroup of inulin, was found to prevent and treat different types of diarrhea. And the phytochemicals in onions can cut the risk of gastric ulcers. The natural prebiotics in onions can also help ease constipation. They are also believed to help treat stomach ache and stomach worms, though more research is warranted. Onion is known to cause migraine and flatulence in some people. Consult your doctor. 5. Maintain bone health. Preliminary research suggests that onions can prevent age-related osteoporosis. According to Swiss researchers, a compound in white onions, called GPCS, can reduce bone loss. Though the study was conducted on rats, it does hold promise for humans. Another study revealed that women who ate onions regularly had 5% more bone mass than those who ate less. Onion consumption was also found to have a beneficial effect on the bone density of women older than 50 years. According to the Arthritis Foundation, quercetin in onions can inhibit the activity of leukotrienes, prostaglandins, and histamines, all of which cause inflammation in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Onion intake was also found to help treat joint pains. 6. Prevent inflammation and other allergies. We have already seen quercetin, and other flavonoids, in onions can help prevent inflammation. Onions also treat allergies by preventing the cells from releasing histamine. Cooking with onions can help open and drain your sinuses. And the antihistamine properties of quercetin can also aid in reducing nasal congestion. Even eating a raw onion at night can help relieve congestion. The sulfur compounds in the onion can break down the mucus. Onions also possess antibacterial properties. As per one study, onion extracts acted against Streptococcus mutans and Streptococcus sabrinus, the bacteria responsible for dental caries and other allergies. Onions also possess antibiotic effects that can accelerate wound healing. 7. Improve immune system. Onions contain selenium that stimulates immune function. The mineral also prevents excessive immune response, which can have adverse effects. Immune cells deficient in selenium develop and reproduce inefficiently, and here's where onions come into the picture. Such cells also have difficulty in producing the important proteins and transporting calcium. Onions are also considered herbal medicine in Russia, where they are used to treat cold and flu. We also want to talk about a popular remedy here: sleeping with onions underneath your feet, placing them in your socks. Does this have benefits? Certain sources say that it eradicates infection and hydrates your body. Doing so can also strengthen your immune system. The reason behind this could be that the feet contain the nerve endings of all the organs of the body. Placing onions beneath the feet transfers their beneficial properties to your interiors. However, there is no research on this, and we don't know how far the information is true. You can also make onion tea for treating colds. This tea gives you an immunity boost and helps prevent ailments. Making the tea is as simple as cutting an onion, boiling it in water, and drinking the juice. This acts as a quick remedy for your cold and other illnesses. You can also add other ingredients like ginger for taste. Even onion honey syrup works wonders for common cold symptoms. Just slice an onion and add it to a saucepan. To this, add half a cup of honey. Gently heat until the onions turn translucent and soft. Take a spoonful of this syrup every 3 to 4 hours. For prevention, you can take 1 or 2 spoonfuls during the flu season. You can also use white onion with honey for similar results. The anti-inflammatory properties of onions can also help improve asthma. This effect can be attributed to quercetin. An average onion contains 50 milligrams of it. 8. Cure ear disorders. As per one report, though research is limited, most parents swear by onions to cure ear ailments. They insist that onion juice can work great to relieve earache. One way to do this is to heat up the onion, extract some of the juice, and pour a few drops into the infected ear. And this remedy, believe us, goes back to the 19th century. All you need to do is place the onion in an oven at 450 OF, let it be for 15 minutes or until it becomes soft. Take out the onion. Once it's cool, cut it in half and squeeze the juice into a small bowl. You can strain the juice once, and using a medicinal dropper, pour a few drops of the juice into your infected ear. An alternative is to place onion packs on the infected ear. Though the remedy is not scientifically proven, some people believe they might work. 9. Promote respiratory health. According to an American study, patients with respiratory issues like asthma and allergic rhinitis can benefit from certain fruits and vegetables, onions being one of them. The anti-inflammatory properties of onions can also help soothe respiratory ailments. If you are suffering from a respiratory illness, you can simply include onions in your diet, in addition to your medication, for quicker relief. Include onions in your salads and other foods. 10. Improve sleep. Onions contain prebiotics, which, as per a study, can improve sleep and even reduce stress. When the beneficial bacteria in the gut digest the prebiotic fiber, they multiply and improve gut health, and more importantly, release metabolic byproducts. These byproducts can influence brain function and induce sleep. 11. Enhance eye health. The sulfur in onions improves the health of the lens of the eye. It stimulates the production of a protein named glutathione, which acts as an antioxidant. Higher levels of glutathione mean a reduced risk of glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts. The selenium in onions supports the vitamin E in the eye, which protects the cells in the eye. As per an Iranian study, onions can inhibit the growth of normal eye flora. This highlights the possibility of onions being a potential cure for common eye infections like conjunctivitis and blepharitis. In the study, onion juice was used as eye drops, which resulted in the benefits. You can try that too, but we recommend you consult your healthcare provider first. Onion extracts can also aid in preventing the development of corneal haze. 12. Are good for oral health. Onions contain thiosulfonates and thiosulfonates, the sulfur compounds, that help reduce bacteria that cause tooth decay. And eating them raw is best, as cooking might destroy some of these beneficial compounds. The vegetable is also rich in vitamin C that can keep the teeth healthy. It is also believed that onions can relieve tooth pain. However, there is less research on this. But one downside of onions is that they can cause bad breath. Hence, wash your mouth thoroughly after consuming onions, especially if you are heading to a social gathering. 13. Aid in cholera treatment. Onions were found to have an inhibitory effect against B. cholerae, the microbe responsible for cholera. This can be attributed to the antibacterial effects of the vegetable. 14. Prevent blood clots. Onions contain a compound called rutin, which can help prevent blood from clotting. In numerous mice studies, rutin was found to be the most potent antithrombotic compound. Clots occur in the arteries and veins. In arteries, the clots are platelet-rich, while in veins they are fibrin-rich. The rutin in onions helps block an enzyme, protein disulfide isomerase, which is released very quickly when blood clots form. 15. Give an energy boost. The fiber in onions slows digestion and keeps the energy levels stable. The inulin in the vegetable helps maintain your stamina levels. 16. Improve sexual health. Onions are one of the herbal medicines used in Western Uganda for managing sexual impotence and erectile dysfunction. Even otherwise, the vegetable is known to have benefits for men. Taking onion juice with honey is known to increase fertility in men. 17. Enhance brain health. Research suggests that the antioxidants in onions bind with the harmful toxins in the brain and flush them out of the body. And the sulfur-containing compounds in onions can slow down age-related memory loss. The extracts of onions have been found to maintain the hippocampus. However, a part of these memory-fighting properties might be lost upon cooking. Hence, try your best to eat the fruit raw. Another sulfur compound in onions, named N-propyl trisulfide, improves memory impairment. Onions are also believed to treat dizziness, epilepsy, and vertigo, though we have limited research on this. 18. Help cure fever. Onion can be included as a food ingredient to cure fever. 36. It can also prevent or treat nose bleeding, given its natural fumes, which can help the blood clot externally. 19. Reduce oxidative stress. According to a Chinese study, taking onion juice can help modulate oxidative stress. In yet another study, it was found that onions can also lower diabetes-induced oxidative stress. The quercetin in the vegetable can prevent diseases related to oxidative stress. It also protects the DNA against damage from oxidative stress. Another Argentine study attributes the ability of onions to reduce oxidative stress to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. What are the benefits of onions for skin? This is where we see the benefits of an onion face mask. Check out different ways of using onion for skin care. 20. Ease menopause symptoms. Onions help during menopause as they support the liver and get rid of the waste hormones. Taking enough calcium is also imperative during this period. Onions contain calcium too and can help in this regard. 21. Make skin glow. Onions are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, all of which contribute to skin health. They protect the skin from premature aging that is caused by free radicals. And since the vegetable is a powerful antiseptic, it can also shield the skin from bacteria that cause issues. And by the way, research says that vitamin C is important for imparting a glow to the skin. This onion face mask does the trick. All you need are 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1.5 tablespoons of onion juice, freshly extracted, ½ teaspoon of milk, and a pinch of nutmeg. Mix all the ingredients till you get a thick paste. You can add extra milk if the pack becomes too thick. And in case the smell of onions is too much to take, you can add a few drops of lavender essential oil to the pack. Cleanse your face, and apply the mask evenly to your face and neck. After the mask dries, which might take about 20 minutes, remove it by gently massaging it off the skin with milk. This mask not only adds glow to your skin but also exfoliates it. 22. Fight the effects of aging. Onions possess enormous anti-aging benefits. The antioxidant vitamins A, C, and E fight against the damage caused by the harmful UV rays as well as prevent free radical damage that is responsible for causing premature aging of our skin. Onion is one of the richest sources of quercetin, the most powerful antioxidant that can keep your skin wrinkle-free. Vitamins and sulfur, on the other hand, protect your skin and keep it soft and supple. The anti-aging qualities of onion can be attributed to the presence of sulfur-rich phytochemicals. Massaging your skin with fresh onion juice helps increase blood circulation and improves the overall appearance of your skin by imparting a more youthful and radiant appearance to it. 23. Treat acne. The antimicrobial, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory qualities of onion can work wonders on your skin. It is a powerful antiseptic that protects your skin from acne-causing bacteria and other skin infections. Onions can be used in the treatment of acne and pimples. For this purpose, you can mix 1 tablespoon of onion juice or extract with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off. Apart from topical application, the regular consumption of onion can also give you miraculous results in the case of acne. Certain individuals claim that rubbing onions on your face can give good results. You can probably give it a try and check, there is no harm anyway. And for treating acne scars, you can use onion extract. Or you can look for creams that have onion extract as one of the ingredients. 24. Remove dark spots and treat skin pigmentation. Onion juice is excellent for getting rid of dark spots and pigmentation. The rich variety of phytonutrients and antioxidants in onion nourish your skin while removing the skin impurities. You can prepare an onion face mask by mixing equal quantities of onion juice and fresh yogurt. You can also add a few drops of any essential oil for a pleasant aroma. Massage your face with this mixture, using gentle circular movements for 10 to 15 minutes. This should be done daily for best results. 25. Treat stings and bites. Onions can be used to soothe stings and bug bites. All you need to do is place an onion slice on your sting or bite. The anti-inflammatory properties of onion help in reducing the burn, itchiness, and swelling caused by the bites of insects and bugs. What are the benefits of onions for hair? Here, we talk about onion hair packs. But hey, even consuming raw onions can have benefits for your hair. They can improve hair health and appearance. Here's a quick glimpse at their incredible advantages of onion for hair. 26. Help get rid of moles. You can use onion juice to get rid of moles too. The acidity of the onion juice and the chemicals in it can heal moles as well. All you have to do is dab some fresh onion juice on your mole. Allow it to absorb the juice. In most cases, the treatment was found to remove the mole in a month. 27. Promote hair growth. The number one reason onion juice is good for hair growth is it contains sulfur, which is also found in amino acids. And keratin, an important protein, is also sulfur-rich and is required for strong hair. When applied to the scalp, onion juice provides this extra sulfur for stronger and thicker hair. This sulfur can also stimulate collagen production, which, in turn, aids in the production of healthy skin cells, and hair growth, by default, treating hair thinning too. Applying onion juice to hair and scalp can increase blood supply to the hair follicles, enhancing hair growth. It can also give you voluminous hair. In one study, participants who washed their hair with onion juice had experienced more hair growth than those who hadn't. However, more research is required. But then, using onion juice on your hair is not harmful. You can simply massage fresh onion juice into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 15 minutes, post which you can wash as usual using a shampoo. 28. Help treat dandruff. Onion juice can work as a great dandruff healer. It can kill the bacteria that promotes the growth of dandruff. And an onion hair pack does the job pretty well. You need onion juice and fenugreek seeds. Take 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and soak them in water overnight. The next day, Grind them into a fine paste, and to this, add 2 tablespoons of fresh onion juice. Mix well and apply the pack to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes, post which you can rinse with lukewarm water. Apart from dandruff, onions can help treat other scalp infections as well. Use this remedy for treating scalp infections and enhancing scalp health. This remedy also acts as a wonderful hair conditioner. Even onion paste can do the job. Crush half an onion and make a paste, after adding water. Apply to the scalp. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and rinse with water. In case onions make you uncomfortable, you can replace them with garlic. Simply mix garlic juice, from crushed garlic cloves, with coconut oil and apply to your hair and massage as usual. You can shampoo later. Garlic also works great for hair care. 29. Help reverse gray hair. Though there is no research on this, certain proponents claim its efficacy. Just add 5 onions to a liter of water and boil for about 10 minutes. Strain the mixture after it cools down. Apply it to the scalp along with the shampoo. If the smell of onions doesn't bother you, you can also wash your hair the next morning. You will first see the sheen of your hair improving in 2 months. The graying also might start getting reversed. How to select and store onions. Selection. Both dry and green onions are available all the year round. While buying onions, choose the ones that are clean, well-shaped, with no opening at the neck. Their neck should be tightly closed and should not have a thick woody center. They should be firm with crisp, dry, bright, and shiny outer skin with a crackly feel. The base should be whitish, measuring about 2 to 3 inches. Avoid the ones with soft spots and damp and moldy patches, as this is an indication of inferior quality. Sprouting onions should be avoided as this indicates age and poor storage. However, if sweet onions have sprouted in your pantry, you can use the green sprouts as a substitute for scallions. There should not be dark powdery patches under the skin, as this is an indication of mold that may spoil the flesh. They should have a mild smell. Storage. Dry onions can be stored for several months. Whole onions should be stored in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place, where they will last for about 4 weeks. Avoid refrigerating them, as this will turn them soft. As they absorb moisture, they should not be stored below the sink. Often, partial onions remain after the preparation of meals. These onions can be stored for reuse. They should be wrapped in plastic or placed in a tightly sealed container and refrigerated for use within 2 to 3 days. Besides proper storage, onions should be inspected regularly. Slimy or discolored onions should be discarded. Sprouting onions can be eaten after chopping away the green portion. Spring onions can be refrigerated for up to a week. And now, we come to the ways of incorporating the vegetable into your diet, which, we tell you, is very simple. 30. Maintain hair color. You can apply onion juice on your hair to impart a nice coppery shade as well as to make your hair glossy. However, if you wish to maintain the natural color of your hair, you can blend an onion with an adequate amount of mustard oil and apply it to your hair. The mustard oil will suppress the color lightening effect of onion.